Risk Register Template for Data Science Projects. Step by step. Welcome. Today we'll build a practical risk register for data science projects. Think of it as a single source of truth, where every potential issue lives in one place. No scattered notes, no forgotten risks. A good register boosts visibility, assigns clear ownership, and drives action so risks don't just sit there. They get managed. In data science life cycles, surprises are costly, sudden data shifts, compute overruns, or compliance gaps. A living risk register helps you spot issues early, choose responses intentionally, and keep stakeholders aligned. Fewer fires, smoother delivery, and more trust in your process. Start with a unique risk ID and a short, descriptive title so people can reference it quickly in meetings. Add a category to focus the conversation: data, model, ops, compliance, or people. This helps route the risk to the right experts. Then capture likelihood, impact, and an overall rating so you can prioritize. For example, R07, training data drift, in the model category with likelihood. 4, impact. 5, rating, high. These fields make the register scannable, comparable, and actionable across multiple projects. Write a concise statement using cause-event-effect. Example: because vendor logs arrive late, cause, we may miss critical anomalies. Event, leading to delayed incident response and penalties effect. List affected assets, which datasets, models, or pipelines would take the hit, so owners know where to act. Add triggers and early warning indicators, rising null rates, feature distribution shifts, queue backlogs, or alert thresholds. Clear wording prevents debate about what the risk means and enables faster, targeted mitigation instead of vague, unproductive discussions. Use a 1 to 5 scale with definitions to keep scoring consistent. For likelihood, 1 equals rare, 3 equals possible, 5 equals frequent. For impact, define what 1 versus 5 means in your context. Cover multiple dimensions: accuracy, model performance drop, cost, unexpected spend, delay, missed deadlines, and trust, stakeholder or customer confidence. Combine them into a single impact number or keep a breakdown. Then compute a simple risk score equals likelihood times impact. This gives a quick way to prioritize and decide where to invest a mitigation effort first. Document current controls that already limit exposure: data validation checks, canary releases, permission boundaries, or human-in-the-loop review. Then add planned actions with an owner, clear steps, and a due date. Example: add drift monitoring on top 10 features. Owner PRIA, due, May 15th. Be explicit about residual risk after these actions. Does the rating drop from high to medium or remain high? This transparency helps leaders decide whether to fund more work, accept the risk, or adjust scope and timelines. Assign a risk owner, accountable for the risk overall, and an action owner, responsible for specific mitigation tasks. They can be different people. Include target dates, a review cadence, weekly stand-up, monthly governance, and the next check date so nothing stalls. Use clear status tags: open, identified, not mitigated, monitoring, controls in place, watching indicators, closed, risk no longer relevant, or accepted, documented decision to live with it. This structure keeps momentum and makes progress visible to stakeholders. Add data quality metrics, missing values, freshness, schema changes, and lineage notes so you know where data comes from and what transformations occur. Track model bias / drift metrics with thresholds, for example, performance drop beyond 2% AUC, or fairness gaps exceeding a defined limit. Include compliance links such as GDPR, HIPAA, or SOC controls, plus relevant policies or audit references. These fields tailor the register to data science realities, ensuring technical and regulatory risks are visible, measurable, and tied to concrete monitoring signals. A risk register only works if it breathes. Review it at stand-ups and stage gates so issues are caught before they grow. Update entries after incidents and near misses. Treat them as learning moments, not blame. Use a dashboard or spreadsheet that's version controlled, so history is traceable and collaboration is easy. Archive closed items, but keep their lessons. Over time, your register becomes institutional memory, speeding up onboarding, improving estimates, and preventing repeat mistakes. Keep it active, and it will keep your project safer and faster.